Hello everyone, I am Badrika Patel from Caret Solutions Private Limited. Today I am going to explain you about the force removal strategy in Odoo version 13. Removal strategies are usually in picking operations to select the best product in the order to optimize the distance for the worker or for quality control purpose or due to the reason of product expiration. Let's start. First we need to configure in inventory. So click on inventory and the setting. We have to enable the setting for the lot number, lot and serial number, and for the multi-step route and storage locations. After that, we can set in locations that we set in warehouse stock. This is the removal strategy. There are 3 removal strategy available over here. First in, first out, last in, first out, and first expiry, first out. Let me select the first in, first out. And let's create the purchase order. Select the vendor name and the product. Let me select the door black for 2 units and the unit price is 200 and save and confirm the order. Click on the receipt and as we set the lot number tracking, so we have to set the lot number for this product. Add lines and write the lot number. Quantity 2, confirm, save and validate it. Let me duplicate the purchase order again for the same product and the 2 units. Confirm the order. Click on the receipt and set the lot number. It's lot 2. The quantity 2. Confirm, save and validate. Let me create the sales order for the same product. So click on sales and create the sales order. I'll go black for 1 quantity. Save it and confirm the sales order. Let me check in delivery. We can see that it will consider from lot number 1 because we said the removal strategy is first in, first out. Let me check for a second. So we can change the removal strategy in location, warehouse stock, and change the removal strategy last in, first out. And again create the sales order. For the same product. Go black. Save it and confirm. Click on the delivery and we can see that it will consider from lot number 2 because we set the last in, first out. So it will consider it from lot number 2 because lot number 2 is our second lot. So this is how the force removal strategy will work in Odoo. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.